Hello traders, welcome back to Mus Traders. Today we are on the Quotex analyzing the NZD CHF OTC pair. I've spotted a high probability setup forming right now and I'm going to walk you through exactly why I'm taking this trade. Take a look at this market structure. We have strong bullish momentum. The green candles are dominant. We just saw a minor pullback with this red candle, but notice where it closed. It left a distinct gap below the next resistance level. I'm entering with $200 buy trade right here. Here is the logic. The market has a target to hit that upper resistance line. The previous red candle was just a temporary retracement, and now the buyers need to step in to fill the gap and push the price up to that new high. While we wait for this candle to play out, here is a pro tip for OTC markets. Always trade with the trend. When you see strong momentum like this, don't try to predict the reversal too early. Instead, look for these small pullbacks to join the winning team. We are essentially betting that the price must travel up to test that upper wick. You can see the candle is struggling a bit, dropping into the red. This is normal. In binary options, patience is your best asset. The algorithm on OTC pairs often tests your psychology right before the expiration time. Trust your analysis. The gap is still open and the price is magnetized to it. And there is the push. As predicted, the buyers are flooding back in to close that distance. This is why we wait for the candle close before judging the setup. That rejection from the bottom shows strong buying pressure. Trade cleared. We just secured $178 in profit in less than 2 minutes. The price successfully pushed up to fill our target area, validating the analysis. If you want to learn more about these price action strategies, make sure to subscribe to Mus Traders and hit the bell icon. You can contact me on Telegram. Link is in video description. See you in the next video.